ChatGPT plus Harpa AI tutorial 2023. Get #1 ranked articles on Google. In this video, we're going to be discussing about ChatGPT and how you can use it with Harpa AI. So basically, we're going to be talking about all of that in great detail. So please do make sure to watch this video till the end and listen to all the information that I have to provide you. So without further ado, let's just get straight into it. Okay. Now, once you're over here in, Harpa AI, like, you're going to come to harpa.ai. And once you're here, obviously you're going to get a few prompts that come with Harpa AI. Your browser's mine, ChatGPT, Chrome Automation Copilot, get more done on the web, etc., etc. It's your basic AI that, takes the API of a very widely used chatbot, okay? And that chatbot, as we all know, in its blood and flesh, is called ChatGPT. Now, how do you add Harpa AI? Okay, so first of all, you're just going to come to harpa.ai and click on Add to Chrome. And once you click on Add to Chrome, obviously it's going to take you through the Chrome Web Store. And once you're in the Chrome Web Store, from there on out, just go ahead and download this, great AI for yourself. Then once you've added it, obviously it's going to tell you that now all you're going to need to do is just click on Alt-A or Control-A if you're on Mac, as so. And once you do that, what it's going to do is, as you can see, it opens a prompt for you on the right-hand side. So this is just to see if it actually works for you. Now, if it does, well and good. We're going to move on to the further on aspects of the editing. So first of all, what we're going to do is, obviously, like, let's say we have a report, okay? We have a proper full-fledged report for our, you could say, parameters or something like that. Like, let's go here and you could write something like article, okay? Any article related to something. Now, over here, let's open a random article, best articles to read. Okay, let's go over here and let's open a random article and read, what it has to provide you. Like, you don't have to read the whole article. Like, let's say you want to read an article on life lessons. So the ultimate productivity hack is saying no. Okay, here you are. Now, obviously, you can see it's a long article. So obviously, to get an idea on what this actually tells you, you're going to click on Alt-A. Then come here, slash. Once you click on slash, you have summary. You're going to add to summary, and here you go. So as you can see, it starts giving you the summary of the whole article. How cool and amazing is that, So obviously the whole page is summarized into one bit. So not doing something will always be faster than doing it. Saying no saves you time in the future. Saying no is an important skill to retain control over your time and prioritize your goals. Asking yourself if you would agree to a commitment today can help you decide whether to say yes or no. Elimination is often more valuable than optimization, as more effort is wasted doing things that don't matter. So, pretty basic, pretty, good stuff to get your head behind and all that. And obviously, you have more things to discuss, like, you have different echo parameters where, echoes are available for prompt parameters and all that. So you can obviously check all those things out to see if the, the stuff for your Harpa AI actually works well with your article. And then what you can do is, let's say I'm going to click on slash, and we're obviously near the end of this video. I'm also going to go ahead and discuss all these different use cases and features that are down here. And if I click on it, let me show you. So this is what it's going to look like, and I'm going to be discussing all of these by the end of this video. So, you get an idea of all the things you can do to rank your article on #1 with, Harpa and ChatGPT. So now that we're over here, you can see in your keyword and strategies, you have all these things. So first of all, you have extract, research, and keywords and all that, pretty basic stuff. So what you can do is you can write keyword, down here, keyword, as so. And here you can see you have, first of all, extract and research SEO keywords, keyword strategy generator, provide a detailed strategy for any SEO keyword. And, you can get proper SEO based keywords in related to this page, basically. So let's say I'm going to go here and click on extract and research SEO keywords. So please paste the competitor's article content up to 3,000 symbols or press enter to extract keywords from the web page open. I'm going to click on enter. So it knows that we're going to extract keywords from this page. So here we are. So keyword, productivity hack. The density of this keyword, which is like how much it actually acts upon the whole SEO, is 3.75. Time management, okay. Efficiency with the focus, prioritization, and effectiveness, and all these other things. You can see all that over here. Pretty, pretty decent, pretty basic stuff. And then, saying no, 2.8%, with assertiveness, setting boundaries, meeting with 2.34 density, code with 2.03 density, commitment, distractions, opportunity, success, time, decision, focus, commitment, all these different densities with all these different LSI keywords, and much, much more. So, pretty basic, pretty easy, and pretty simple stuff to get along with. And then moving further on, again, you can, let's say, add different prompts or add different bodies of text to, whatever you have opened. And what's going to happen by that is you're basically going to allow yourself to, give yourself much better AI prompts for, your SEO keywords and more stuff like that. Now, moving on, what we're going to do over here is we're going to come here, okay, and like obviously let's head over to ChatGPT. Okay, let's leave this all out here, and here we are. We've headed over to ChatGPT. Now, what you're going to do over here, and I'm just going to go ahead and clear conversations. Here we are. So let's go ahead and write ourselves some good articles, okay? Articles that will rank us number one, okay? So firstly, we're going to come down here and send a message, and let's go ahead and ask it to write some stuff for us. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and write, to send a message. Let's go ahead and send a message. And we're going to write, hi, I want to write an article. The topic for the article is, so let's say the topic of the article could be anything, let's go ahead and write the topic something like, the topic of the article is, daily life hacks. Daily life hacks. Let's go ahead and enter. So, hi, I want to write an article. The topic for the article is daily life hacks. And as you can see, it starts giving you all these things. So first of all, there's the title. 10 daily life hacks for a productive and efficient lifestyle. Introduction. In our fast-food-based world, finding effective ways to optimize our daily lives has become increasingly important. Incorporating simple yet ingenious life hacks into our routines can save time, increase productivity, and enhance overall well-being. In this article, we will explore 10 practical and easy to implement daily life hacks that can transform your everyday activities into streamlined and efficient experiences. So as you can see, it starts giving you all these different details and information regarding, the prompt that you've just entered into its, type box. So first of all, you have the power of prioritization. Begin your day by identifying the most crucial tasks. Make a to-do list and prioritize your activities based on importance and urgency. Focusing on high priority tasks ensures that you tackle the most significant items first and maintain productivity throughout the day. Implement the 2-minute rule. Embrace the 2-minute rule for small tasks. If a task takes less than 2 minutes to complete, do it immediately rather than putting it off. By addressing these quick tasks promptly, you prevent them from piling up and become overwhelming. Optimize your whole morning routine. Establishing a consistent morning routine can set a positive tone for the day ahead. Wake up early, practice mindfulness or meditation, exercise, and have a nutritious breakfast, etc., etc. And you have all these different texts. And then you have the conclusion. By implementing these 10 daily life hacks into your routine, you can optimize your time, increase productivity, and improve your overall quality of life. Remember, small changes can lead to significant results, so start incorporating these hacks gradually and enjoy the positive impact they have on your daily experiences. So, pretty cool and amazing stuff. Now, moving on, basically, you can go ahead and copy all these things, that ChatGPT has provided you. And obviously, you can go ahead and start creating an article. I'm going to go ahead and right now, assemble this article on Google Docs, okay? And you can assemble it anywhere. You can assemble it on your Word or any, documentary application. So I'm going to come here and obviously we're going to write an article. So I'm going to come here and write article. And in the template gallery, you can go ahead and search article. You're like most likely you're going to find it here, so don't worry. And once you've like found yourself an article or something like that, it could be a brochure for yourself or even a report. A report and article are pretty similar. But let's go ahead and skip that bit. We're going to come here. Okay, I'm going to copy all of this. Let's go down here, copy as so. Now I'm going to come here, paste. Okay. And once we paste all this stuff, from there on out, what's going to happen is, as you can see, it pastes all the necessary things. And then also you can paste it without formatting if you want to. Like, let's say I'm going to paste it without a format. Look at that. So it doesn't like add those black bars that it usually did. So, once you have all of this here, now what you're going to do, like obviously this is all that ChatGPT actually does for you. Like this is where ChatGPT's basic task ends. Now this is where Harpa comes in, okay? This is where Harpa shows us its magic. So we're going to go ahead and we're just going to close ChatGPT. Now we're going to bring in Harpa by clicking on Alt A. Now once you click on Alt A, obviously Harpa is going to load its AI in, and you're just going to wait for it to do that. And in the case that Harpa doesn't do that, obviously what you can do is it probably means that maybe the website that you're actually working on Harpa with might have an issue with it. Maybe it just doesn't allow an external extension to show up on it. It could be many factors. And in that case, what you can do, like you can obviously, if it works for you, I recommend doing it on Google Docs. But if it doesn't, you can just come here, click on Alt A again. Okay. And once you do that, as you can see, it opens it up like this. So right here, you can write a question in the article written in this page. Please write me some good SEO and keywords. Okay, you're just gonna ask it to do that, and you're gonna enter. In the article written in this page, please write me some good SEO and keywords. Here are some SEO tips and keywords that I can consider incorporating into your article on daily life hacks. So first of all, here's the SEO tips. Ensure your article has a clear and concise title that includes relevant keywords, okay? And secondly, you can obviously use headers like H1 and H2, etc. to structure your content and make it easier for search engines to understand. Optimize your meta description to provide a brief and compelling summary of your article. Include internal and external links to reputable sources for additional information. You can use relevant keywords naturally throughout your content. Make your article mobile friendly for better accessibility. Share your article on social media platforms to increase visibility and reach, and much more. And then finally, you have your keywords. So obviously use these keywords throughout your article. I'd recommend using all of them because they all, the more keywords you use, the more likely you are to appear on the top searches of Google. So, you have daily life hacks, productivity tips, efficient lifestyle, prioritization techniques, 2-minute rule, morning routine optimization, digital tools for productivity, batch tasking, Pomodoro technique, clutter-free environment, mindful breaks, meal planning, self-care activities, time optimization, increased productivity, and much more. So remember, while incorporating these SEO tips and keywords, it's important to maintain a natural flow and provide valuable content to, your proper readers. So obviously once you have that, make sure to also toggle between these settings. So context on is basically when Harpa automatically parses web page content for relevant information and injects it into the prompt. And context off is when Harpa does not inject page content, same as GPT. So, keep those on and off if you want to. You can grab text off of page and you can copy the page text and all that. But yeah, basically that's pretty much it. Now, let's go ahead and discuss about Harpa in depth. Okay, we didn't discuss about Harpa at all. So this is Harpa, Harpa AI, ChatGPT automation copilot, AI agent for Chrome, integrate ChatGPT to Google, search automate websites, get more done on the web. Now, as I said, call Harpa on any website with Alt A. AI assisted search, show responses from ChatGPT alongside Google search, extract and summarize pages, chat with AI. Buy when the price drops. Okay, track when any product is back on sale or its price drops on Amazon, AliExpress, Walmart, eBay, etc. You have page where you can aware GPT prompts, use one of 100 page aware commands for marketing, SEO, copywriting, HR, engineering, etc. You have tracking competitors where you can monitor your competitor websites for changes, convert websites to APIs, trigger IFTTT with make.com. And then you have AI Writer on any website. Write any text content with AI from Twitter and LinkedIn replies to emails and SEO optimized articles and summarize whole YouTube videos. Extract key takeaways from hours long videos with help of generative AI. You also have a privacy by design. Harper runs locally in your browser and does not send any of your data away. You can trust it. And now we come to the holy grail, which is ChatGPT's assistance. Okay. Now, this is the important bit. So, yeah, basically, let's go ahead and discuss this in a second. You have free ChatGPT extension for, Google search, LinkedIn, Facebook, Insta, Twitter, YouTube, TikTok, Amazon, Upwork, Fiverr, Gmail, Pinterest, Quora, Stack Overflow, and much, much more. And there's like so many things more that there are to discuss when it comes to all of this. But yeah, let's discuss more. For example, we are on some kind of store. So let's go on the Nike store. Okay, Nike.com. Let's go on Nike. And on this store, you can see a lot of stuff like shoes and, all the Nike products, etc. Now, over here, basically, let's say you want to have a different, you could say, approach to things. Like you want the same SEO and keywords that Nike uses, but obviously in your own style. Like you want the same keywords, but you don't want to copy the whole thing. So what you can do is you can come here, as so, on the Nike page, and you can write, I want my pages SEO and keywording to be exactly like this page. So you're gonna answer this prompt. We're gonna click on enter, and obviously you're just gonna wait for it to then see what it has to tell you. To optimize your page's SEO and keywording, it's important to conduct through keyword searches, etc. Identify relevant keywords. If you want to keep it just like Nike's, you're gonna have to identify the relevant stuff that's needed for proper keywording of your page. And obviously, moving on from there, you're gonna have to talk about more stuff that comes with the optimization of the whole, page that you're gonna be messing around with and working around with. And then moving on, there's this, a ton of more stuff that goes in when it comes to SEO and keywording. And SEO and keywording is extremely crucial and important to your, page's actual marketing and working. Now, obviously, moving on, once, you've gotten the whole gist of how things are, you can also explore more different kinds of prompts that, Harpa AI actually brings you. And right now, it's obviously a beta version, so the speed might relatively be a bit slower, even though, even for its beta version, it works pretty well. Like, if you go and check the speed and everything, it works pretty nicely, in my opinion. But obviously, this is just a beta, and it will get better, so do not worry. It will probably have more features and more speed to, like, blow your mind with. Now, moving on, let's go back here. As I said, we are going to discuss these bits in the last form of the video. So here we are, ChatGPT for copywriting. Harpa AI integrates page-aware ChatGPT commands into your web browser and lets you generate any type of text content, from Twitter tweets to YouTube video scripts and Amazon descriptions. First of all, you have article outline markdown. Generate a content outline for your article. Use in combination with article section command to generate every part of the article. Then you have article outline MECE. Generate a content outline for article following MECE framework. Use in combination with article section command to generate every part of the article. Then you have article section, generate an article section content used in combination with article outline command. First generate an article outline and then every section one by one. Now, obviously, this all lies under your copywriting. And you can also like generate different texts for yourself using Harpa AI, which is also a great thing to know and have when it comes to your page's, basic arsenal. And, just great for your marketing as well, marketing and keywording. Then, obviously, moving further on, basically you have video script writer. Like, let's say you are a YouTuber or an Instagram influencer or TikToker, and you want to write a script for your video. You can always write a script for a video idea or topic, best for YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok. And you have customer reviews writer. Okay, it could be on your Amazon, eBay, etc. So you can have proper customer reviews written. Pretty simple, pretty basic stuff. And moving further on, you have customer review response writers. Get friendly responses to a list of customer reviews, which you can use on Google, Yelp, etc. Organize your responses nicely in a table so you can copy and paste them easily. You have Quora Answer Writer. Write a personalized Quora answer to any question. Have sequential text improvements for yourself, okay, which creates a table with a list of 10 improvements for you to pick from. Keep tracks of changes already made and show an updated table offer after each pick from the list. There's also a buying guide writer where you can create a product buying guide. Long form article writer where you can generate a plagiarism free content for your blog. Now this could also be used for, your college applications or something like that. Now I'm not actually recommending this, but you can obviously go ahead and use it if you want to. Then you have clickbait writer, generate 20 catchy and high converting clickbaits. Then you have title writer, generate titles for a list of keywords or proper web pages, okay? SaaS product description writer is also available, okay? Based on the product information, create a very click enticing product name and description that encourage to buy online. Perfect for SaaS or online products and services. And then you have e-commerce product description writer where you can create a rich product description and title for your e-commerce product. Perfect for e-commerce products on Amazon, AliExpress, Jet.com, etc. And obviously, moving further on, like more stuff like e-commerce product description writer, FAQ and answers writer, song lyrics writer, and there's like just much more. So you can see all these features, amazing, totally great, and they are supposed to work amazingly for you. So just go ahead and try all of them out if you want to. Totally depends on you. Now, obviously, you have more stuff like you have productivity. Okay, so first of all, you have page-aware ChatGPT commands, which you can put into your web browser. Get information instantly with ChatGPT on Google search. Summarize web pages, find alternatives, and extract whole pages of data. Now, you can reply. Write a reply to the selected text. You can also keep you could say a proper template for a reply. Like, let's say whenever you want a proper reply, whenever you want to send a proper reply, you could always make sure to keep a template, and then you can go ahead and reply with it. So pretty simple stuff. Then obviously moving further on, you have rewrite. You can make changes to selected text, ask questions about open page or PDF, and obviously then moving on, there's more stuff like alternatives. Generate a list of alternatives. You have summary where you can summarize the page, which we clearly did. Extended summary where you can create a bigger summary than it normally created for you. Then you have YouTube video summary, which also we made. Then we have tweets where you can summarize a whole page into a tweet. Okay. Then you have contacts where you can extract contacts from the web page. And then moving on, you have more stuff like chart where you can draw your data on chart. Then you have data where you can extract data from the web page. You have translate where you can translate text to the specified language. You have Grammarly where you can correct text grammar. Simplify where you can simplify text into basic concepts. And then to do where you can generate to-do list from an actual page content. Now, obviously moving on, there's more stuff like HR and recruiting. You can improve your resume, write LinkedIn replies, and this is really helpful for people who actually want to create a good portfolio for themselves, a good resume for themselves, and much more. And this is just amazing for those people. So make sure to work with this pretty well. Make sure to actually know how the HR and recruiting things work. And once you work with that, it's gonna be pretty easy and simple for you to go ahead and discuss more of those things in the future. And then obviously further on, You have job interview coach, recruiter outreach DM on LinkedIn, resume cover letter, resume reviewer, resume suggestions, resume improver, job announcement, job description writer, job eligibility checker, Upwork cover letter writer, Fiverr gig description generator, product development, spreadsheets, and much, much more. In product development, obviously, you get things for Stack Overflow. And obviously, you are going to know how to, you're like going to need to know how to work with Stack Overflow. And if you don't, I recommend that you start learning it, because if you learn Stack Overflow before, actually working with it, that would be more recommended, because Stack Overflow works around a lot with coding and stuff like, Java, SQL, HTML, CSS, JavaScript, Python, C++, C Sharp, and all that. So pretty simple stuff. Now, that's basically about it when it comes to discussing Harpa AI. Now, if you enjoyed this video, please do make sure to drop down a like and subscribe to the channel. And if you want to see more videos like this in the future, let me know that as well, and I will be making more videos for you. But yeah, that's about it for this video. Thank you for watching till the end, and I'll see all of you next time. Goodbye.